Hi there, I'm going to show you how to record the time feedings on this Voluas automatic pet feeder. I bought this off Amazon. You can click the link below if you want to purchase one for yourself. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is put food in the feeder. So up here on the top, you're going to pinch this little lid and it's gonna pop right out of there, and then you're gonna just pour your food right inside. Just make sure there's enough. Now once you have your food in the container, you have to program it on how many meals you want to give your pet per day. So this feeder can be used for cats or dogs, it doesn't matter. A lot of people will use it for their cats if they're gonna be gone for the weekend, but the cat is okay to stay home by themselves, or just if you don't want to think about feeding your pet once, twice, 3 times a day. You can program it for up to 4 meals. First thing I want to note is that the time on this machine is military time. So you can see right here it says it's 17:19, which is really 5:19 p.m. There's a link on the screen that you can click if you need a chart to help you figure out what military time is and how to set it. So I'm going to show you an example of how to change the time and set up the meals. Once you have your screen lit up, you are going to hold down this lock button until this icon shows an unlocked icon. So once you're in the unlock mode, if you hit set, it's going to change between these numbers and all of these settings. And if you just keep clicking it, you'll see how it moves throughout the screen and blinks different numbers at different times, because it's going to go through the different meals of the day as well as the clock. So I'm just going to keep pressing it till it goes back to that 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that we're just setting the actual time. So say I want to change this time to 6:20, because right now it's on 17:20, which is really 5:20 if it wasn't military time. I can go up and make that 18:20, which computes to 6:20 military. Now, if you keep hitting set, it's not going to go over to this portion number because we were just doing the time. It skips right over it and then blinks meal 1. So once you're blinking on meal 1, you see that this time changed to 7. That means 7 o'clock a.m. So, we timed out, so we have to hold this lock button in again. And now I'm going to go to set, hit set until that 1 is blinking, okay? So 7 a.m. is when our first feeding is, but our first feeding, there's no portions. So we're going to change that by hitting set, set, and then we can change our portions to 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way up until it goes up to 40. So you can go all the way up to 40 portions, and that's how much food it's going to spit out. So I'm going to go back to 3 portions because I have a small dog, and later in the video I'll show you how much 3 portions is. So once we're good on meal 1, we hit set again, and that's when our meal up here is going to change to meal 2. So say your pet gets a midday meal, you're going to set meal 2, you're going to go through the prompts. So this is at 11 a.m. Say I want it at 12 p.m. noontime, I'm going to hit up to 12. But I'm like, well, usually my pet likes to eat around 12:30. So I'm going to hit this set button again to go to these numbers, because the set button moves my cursor, so to speak, and where I'm programming. And then I'm going to up this number to 30, so it'll be 12:30. So once I'm happy with that time, I'm going to hit set again to go to portion, and I'm going to go up to 3 because my pet's going to eat 3 portions for lunch as well. So now if I want to set a dinner portion, I'm going to go back to set until it says meal 3. And this is when the military time really comes in handy, because in the PM hours of the day is when military sets in. So right now this is 15:30, which is 3:30 in the afternoon. So you time out, you're gonna have to unlock, and then we're gonna go back to meal 3. Hit the set button until you hit meal 3. So this is 3:30, but we want it to be 5:30. So we want it to be 17:30, which is going to reflect that military time. So again, you can click that link in the corner of your screen. That's going to show you military chart. So if you keep going down the line with your cursor by hitting set, I'm going to go to portion, and then I'm going to change my portion to 5 this time, mainly just for the video purpose. I'm going to show you how much food it spits out. So now that we're done, I'm going to record the food that comes out, and you can see how it dispenses it. All right, now I have my meal 3 set at 16:25, which is in 1 minute. And meal 3 is going to spit out 5 portions. So we're going to wait, and then we can see how much 5 portions is. So there you have it. That is how much 5 portions of food is. And now each pet is going to be different, so you have to kind of play with the portions to see what is going to be the right amount for your pet. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.